Bird CRM, part of the Messagebird platform, offers businesses a streamlined way to manage customer interactions, marketing campaigns, and workflows. Its unique blend of omni-channel communication and CRM capabilities makes it ideal for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement while maintaining operational efficiency. This video will guide beginners on how to get started with Bird CRM, focusing on its core features, benefits, and why it stands out in customer relationship management. So, Bird CRM is designed to empower businesses with seamless communication across various channels, including SMS, email, WhatsApp, and other social platforms. As part of MessageBird, a global cloud communications platform, Bird CRM leverages robust infrastructure to provide real time messaging and customer data management. Whether you're a small business trying to enhance customer retention or a large enterprise aiming to manage high volume interactions, Bird CRM offers a scalable solution. With its intuitive interface and versatile tools, it bridges the gap between marketing and customer support, ensuring that businesses can engage their audiences effectively. So, one of the standout features of Bird CRM is its integration with multiple communication channels, allowing businesses to offer personalized experience. Additionally, its analytics capabilities provide actionable insights, enabling teams to track and optimize their efforts. So, for its key features, first is the omni channel communication. Bird CRM consolidates communication across SMS, email, WhatsApp, and more, providing a unified platform to engage with customers. This ensures that customers can interact through their preferred channels, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. Another key feature is its workflow automation. So it automates repetitive tasks like follow ups, reminders, and customer onboarding processes using pre built workflows. This saves time for teams and ensures consistent communication, reducing manual errors and improving productivity. Another key feature is the real time messaging. So it leverages MessageBird's infrastructure for real time customer interactions through chat, email, or SMS. This facilitates instant communication, enabling businesses to respond quickly to customer inquiries and issues. Another key feature is the customer insights and analytics. Bird CRM offers detailed analytics on customer behavior, campaign performance, and engagement rates. This helps teams refine their strategies, target the right audience, and maximize ROI. Another key feature is the integration with third party tools. So connect Bird CRM with popular tools like Salesforce, Slack, and Zapier to enhance functionality. This ensures seamless data flow and improves overall efficiency by integrating with your existing tech stack. So, why is Bird CRM a great choice? Bird CRM stands out for its simplicity, scalability, and powerful integration capabilities. Businesses that rely heavily on communication will find its omni channel support particularly valuable, allowing them to engage with customers on their preferred platforms without switching tools. Its real time messaging capabilities ensure that businesses can respond promptly, fostering better customer relationships. Additionally, Bird CRM's automation tools help streamline workflows, allowing teams to focus on strategic tasks rather than manual processes. For those already using Messagebird for communication, Bird CRM is a natural extension, offering a unified solution for CRM and messaging. So basically, Bird CRM offers an excellent blend of customer relationship management and communication tools, making it a versatile choice for businesses of all sizes. Its user friendly interface, omni channel capabilities, and robust analytics make it a standout in the CRM landscape. By adopting Bird CRM, businesses can streamline customer interactions, automate key processes, and make data driven decisions that drive growth. Whether you're new to CRM software or looking for a tool to complement your communication strategy, Bird CRM provides the flexibility and features to meet your needs in 2024. So, if you need more information about Bird CRM, you can always visit their website and you can enter your work email right here to get a demo or simply get a glimpse on how Bird CRM works. You can also see bunch of different features and as you can see bunch of different integrations that makes it a good CRM platform. When you scroll down, as you can see, they have marketing, they have customer support, they have this pay, so you can manage with payments and expenses. They are also enterprise ready. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different reviews right here from their customers. And again, you can connect your existing tools with their integrations, such as popular apps like Shopify, ChatGPT, Google, Slack, Messenger, and all of the apps right here. So you can also see the pricing. So as you can see, we have two different pricing right here, which is the contact-based pricing and the enterprise pricing. So they have this feature comparison right here. So again, always make sure that you will avail the plan that has all of your business needs. So make sure to read all of the comparisons and features available for each plan. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.